Creating an Etsy seller account is free and takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open Etsy.com in your browser, desktop recommended for first setup, or use the Etsy Seller app. Start registration, click Sell on Etsy, top right or homepage banner. Click Open your Etsy shop. Sign up or log in. If new, click Register. Enter your email, first name, password, verify email with the code sent. If existing buyer account, log in. Etsy will guide you to convert it to a seller account. Choose Shop Preferences. Select your default language, country, and currency. Important, currency cannot be changed later. Agree to Etsy's seller policy and terms. Set up your shop name. Enter a unique shop name, 4 to 20 characters, no spaces, special chars except hyphens and underscores. Check availability. Click Save and Continue. You can change it once later if needed. Add stock photos and preferences. Upload at least one product photo required to proceed. Answer optional questions about your shop style and inventory. Add bank and payment details. Go to Shop Manager, Finances, Payment Settings. Add your bank account for deposits. Etsy payments required in most countries. Verify identity if prompted. ID upload for some regions. List your first item. Go to Listings, add a listing, fill title, description, photos, price, shipping, publish.